How to remove admin on Facebook page. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove admin on Facebook page. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, you simply have to tap on the drop-down arrow just beside your name at the top. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, just select the page where you want to remove the admin. And now here, once you have switched to that page, what you can do is you can just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, simply scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Now under settings and privacy, just select settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, what you have to do is you simply have to scroll down, and there you will see the option labeled as page setup under audience and visibility. So just tap on it. And now here in this section, you'll see the option labeled page access. So just tap on it. And now here, once you are inside this section, you will see list of all the peoples that have the access and is admin to your page, and the one that you have given the invitation for the admin access as well. So here you can just find the person who have the admin access, and once you've found it, you can just tap on the three dot icon just beside that person username. And now here you can just tap on this option that says remove from page, and once you do it, it will send an invitation or mail to that particular person, through which if they accept, they will be removed as admin from the page. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.